Hello darlings, I'm just gonna jump straight into this video. So for the hot oil treatment, I'm using Jamaican black castor oil, some coconut oil and extra virgin olive oil. So I'm adding 5 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil while it's still in its solid state, and then I'm adding 2 teaspoons of Jamaican black castor oil. Then I'm putting that in the microwave for a minute so that it's all melted, and then I added it to an applicator bottle so it's easier to apply to my hair. So I start off by sectioning my hair into 4 sections and just pinning away the top section so that it's easier for me to manage the hair. Next, I'm just pouring some of the oil in my hand and just applying it to my hair, starting from the back section, and I'm applying it from the roots of my hair to the ends. And I'm just combing it through with my fingers to sort of finger detangle it as the hair is properly saturated and lubricated with the oil. So I just continue to add oil to my hair and going back in a second time to make sure that it's fully saturated with oil, and using my fingers to just lightly detangle it, and then adding some oil also to my scalp before I put it in a twist. And I'm just continuing this process all throughout my hair. So each time I add some oil to the hair shaft, I massage it from the roots of my hair to the tip of my hair, and I use my fingers to lightly comb through it, and then I put it in a twist. So after I finish wrapping under all my twists, I'm using some saran wrap. You guys can use a plastic cap or whatever you have, and I'm just wrapping this around my hair. This will allow the hair to steam while I'm sleeping, and basically just trapping all the oil so that all the moisture is absorbed in my hair. Then afterwards, I'm using a scarf to just tie my hair down so that it will stay in place the entire night, or at least hopefully it will stay in place the entire night. So I'm just pulling out my twist before I start to shampoo the hair. So for shampoo, I use the Giovanni Smooth as Silk, and just like the name says, guys, it leaves your hair feeling smooth as silk. So this is my hair after I shampooed it, and I'm just loving how easy it is for me to run my fingers through it before I even conditioned it. After shampooing my hair, I applied my deep conditioner and I allowed this to sit on my hair for 1 hour. I did a video on this a few months ago, and I'll be linking it in the iCard so you guys can see how I made this deep conditioner. This is my hair after I've rinsed the deep conditioner from it, and it's feeling really soft, and I'm not sure if you guys can see how much shinier it looks than before. It's feeling really silky, and I absolutely recommend doing a hot oil treatment at least once per week because I do believe it helps a lot in improving the elasticity of the hair, as well as strengthening the hair and making it a lot more moisturized and manageable. And I went ahead and did a wash and go on my hair, and this is how my curls are popping, guys. I'll be uploading the video for this one tomorrow, so you guys can look out for that. And I wanted to take the time out to tell you guys thank you so much for the love and for the support. We hit 2,000 subscribers this week, guys, and I'm absolutely grateful. I can't tell you guys thank you enough, and I really love and appreciate every single one of you. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.